All right, today we've got this Melissa and Doug sound puzzle. Yeah, and this one has animals on it, so we're going to get to hear all the animal sounds. Let's start up the top here. What's that? Yeah, look, it's a sheep. All right, how about here? Yeah, this is a horse. Here it is. Okay, what do we have next? Look, a duck. Can you see the duck? Here it is. How does a cow sound? Let's put in the piece and find out. All right, look. Next up, a dog. Let's put in our piece. Right after the dog, we've got a little kitten here. Let's put in the piece. Next up, can you guess what this is? Yeah, it's a pig. Let's put in the piece. All right, and lastly, we have a rooster. Okay, can you find the rooster? Here it is. Let's see what a rooster sounds like. All right, that was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching, everyone.